Captain's report, February 4th, 2531. 5 years. 5 long years. That's how long it took us to get Harvest back.
Go, go, go!
At first it was going well, then setback after setback. Loss after loss. Made what was going to be a quick and decisive win into 5 years of hell. Of course, that's all Harvest is today. It's hell down there. But now it's ours again. Serena, status.
Standard orbit achieved. All systems normal.
Prep for pod launches, bring weapon systems online.
Expecting trouble, Captain?
Harvest may be ours again, but I don't think the Covenant appreciate that yet. Sergeant Forge, report.
Definitely plenty of bad guys down here, Captain. And they found something in the ice.
Damn it. That complicates our mission. Anders, what have you got?
Captain, scans of the northern polar region show some interesting Covenant activity on the surface. There's some kind of structure down there.
What do you think they're looking for?
That's what we're here to find out. We're to bring Alpha Base up to operational status and take control of that site.
I'll get my equipment ready, Captain.
Lady, there's no way you're coming down here on the first bird.
Sergeant Forge, pull back to Alpha Base. I'm sending you some backup.
Roger that. Forge out.
So, nothing too difficult then?
It might be the key to this whole war, Serena. It's worth the risk.
Captain, Alpha is toast. Nothing for me to pull back to. Suggest you hold that backup for now.
We need to turn that around, Sergeant. Serena, what's our status?
Sir, we've got a lot of troops retreating from Alpha Base. If Sergeant Forge can regroup them, our numbers may be sufficient to retake the base.
Roger that. We'll round up any and all survivors and get Alpha back. Ready to roll. Rolling out. We got friendlies up ahead. We're pinned down over here. I'm going. Orders? You boys from Alpha? We were the first out, sir. Fall in behind me. We're taking Alpha back. Let's roll. On the move. Let's ride. Let's ride. Tango, 1-4. You need to get us out of here. Let's move.
All units.
Form up and follow me. On the way.
All units.
Let's go. I'm going. Got it. I'm on it. Rolling. On the move. Let's go. You bet. This is Tango 3-3. We're under heavy fire. That turret is chewing us up. Don't worry. Cavalry's here. Follow us, Marines. We'll get you through.
All units.
On the way.
Well, look at that. They're trying to keep us out of our own base.
Warthogs can't get through, but foot soldiers can. Get this thing down and we'll come a-running. Target the power source. Let's hit him. Got it. That thing is too strong. Use grenades. On the target. Running them over. Barriers down. Let's do this, gentlemen. Open fire. Let's go.
Air support en route, Sergeant. They'll take out the armor. The rest is yours.
Short sword, inbound. Going in! Bombs away. Ugh, we got grunt bits all in the grill. On the way. Attacking. Yes! Let's ride. Got it. Well, now that was the most fun I've had all week. Spirit of Fire, this is Forge. Area clear. Situation normal. Orders?
Alpha Base is ours again. Sergeant Forge, you may want to scout the area.